If you're a content creator and you're curious about creating videos from scratch, you don't want to miss this out because today we're diving into the amazing world of in-video AI and exploring how you can use its powerful features to create stunning videos. And before we jump in, do support my channel by subscribing for more value-added content, tech reviews, and guides, as this will help my channel a lot. To those who want to try out the InVideo AI, you can sign up for free. However, it only entitles you to 10 minutes per week of AI video generation and only up to 4 exports. However, you can subscribe to InVideo on a $20 per month subscription, and it allows you full features such as video cloning and also creating video without watermark. Before we generate the video using prompts, make sure you select Model 2.0 so that it allows you to create longer prompts and with better voice and command. And right now we're gonna do a travel vlog on Singapore, so you can include male voiceovers and also include the video to be more entertaining and engaging, as well as inject some sort of humor to make the video snappy. Once you're done with the prompt, make sure you generate a video by clicking on the submit button. And right now we're waiting for the magic to happen. Just make sure you select the necessary inputs for this video. It should appeal to travel enthusiasts, make the video bright as possible, and to make this video for YouTube. So the next step is to click on the continue button. Right now we're stitching up all the elements together. InVideo AI is analyzing and putting all the music, voiceovers, as well as the script together. The rendering of this video takes a short time. Typically, you can expect about a minute or up to 3 minutes of rendering. It also depends on the prompt as well as the intended duration of your video. So you can actually preview or you can download it. Make sure you use a suitable browser such as Chrome. And since I'm on free plan, I am only entitled to limited features. But let's preview the video for now.
Want to see a place where sci-fi movies come to life? Singapore, here we come. Welcome to the Lion City. First stop, Marina Bay Sands. Imagine swimming in a pool that looks like it's floating in the sky, and yes, your Instagram will thank you. Feeling hungry? Hit up a hawker center. Michelin star meals for the price of a cup of coffee. Your taste buds will be dancing the Merlion Mambo in no time. Speaking of Merlions, be sure to snap a selfie with the mythical creature that's half lion, half fish. Trust me, it's the only place where that combo makes sense. And don't forget Gardens by the Bay. It's like stepping into a sci-fi jungle. Seriously, even the trees light up. Shopping fanatics, Orchard Road is calling your name. Just make sure your credit card is ready for a workout. So, why visit Singapore? Because where else can you find futuristic skylines, mouth-watering food, and a blend of cultures that makes every day an adventure? Pack your bags, folks. Singapore is waiting.
So this is an example of how you can do a video in a short, snappy way. The best thing about using InVideo AI is that you can use it for various purposes, from social media content, marketing campaigns, educational videos, promotional videos, and even your personal projects. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or someone looking to spice up your personal videos, InVideo has got you covered. For instance, if you're a small business owner, you can create engaging promotional videos for your products or services. And if you're a travel blogger, use InVideo AI to quickly generate eye-catching content for platforms such as YouTube or even Instagram. So the next question, can you monetize AI-generated videos? Let's break down how you can do that. Firstly, you can monetize these videos on platforms like YouTube. Ad revenue can be generated based on views and engagement. Secondly, these videos can be used in marketing campaigns for your clients, and you can use this as a sort of like a passive income, as a video creation services utilizing InVideo. So not only does InVideo AI make video creation easy and fun, it opens up a world of monetization and opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to more videos like this, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.